Want to protect your PDF with a password? In this video, I'll show you one of the simplest ways to do it, using Microsoft Word. First, open the Word document you want to convert to a PDF. Once the document is open, click File in the top left corner. Next, click Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Now, click the Save As Type drop-down menu and select PDF. Once you select PDF, the Options button will appear. In the Options window, look for Encrypt the document with a password. A new window will appear, asking you to enter a password. Type your password, then enter it again to confirm. Click OK. Now, click Save to create your PDF. Your document is now saved as a password-protected PDF. To test it, open the PDF. You should be asked to enter the password before the document can be opened. And that's it. You've successfully added a password to a PDF using Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Office and Windows tutorials.